How to play pickleball. Step 1. Understand the basics. Pickleball is played on a court similar to a badminton court with a modified tennis net. The game combines elements of tennis, badminton, and ping pong. Understanding the basic layout and rules is crucial before you start your pickleball journey. Step 2. Learn the court dimensions. A standard pickleball court is 20 feet by 44 feet, with a non-volley zone, also known as the kitchen, near the net. Familiarize yourself with the court dimensions to position yourself effectively during play. Step 3. Grasp the scoring system. Pickleball follows a straightforward scoring system. Points are scored only by the serving side, and games are typically played to 11 points, with a winning margin of at least 2 points. Understanding the scoring ensures a smooth game. Step 4. Master the serve. The serve is an underhand serve, and it must be delivered diagonally across the net. The serving team must keep at least 1 foot behind the baseline when serving, and the ball must bounce once on the receiving side. Step 5. Learn the double bounce rule. Pickleball has a unique double bounce rule, where each team must let the ball bounce once on each side before volleys, hitting the ball in the air, are allowed. This rule promotes longer rallies and strategic play. Step 6. Master the volley. The volley is a key aspect of pickleball. Practice your volley techniques to control the ball and keep it low, making it challenging for your opponents to return. Step 7. Understand the kitchen strategy. The non-volley zone, or kitchen, is a critical area on the court. Players cannot volley the ball while standing in the kitchen, and understanding when to enter and exit this zone is crucial for effective play. Step 8. Practice the dink shot. The dink shot is a soft and controlled shot that is effective close to the net. Mastering the dink shot allows you to place the ball precisely and control the pace of the game. Step 9. Develop court awareness. Court awareness is vital in pickleball. Be aware of your position, your partner's position, and your opponent's movements. Anticipate shots and be ready to react swiftly. Step 10. Work on footwork. Good footwork is the foundation of successful pickleball play. Develop quick and agile footwork to move efficiently around the court, allowing you to reach shots and maintain control. Step 11. Communicate with your partner. Communication is key in pickleball, especially in doubles play. Coordinate with your partner, call out shots, and strategize to maximize your teamwork and increase your chances of success. Step 12. Enjoy the game. Above all, pickleball is about enjoyment. Embrace the friendly competition, celebrate great shots, and have fun on the court. The more you play, the more you'll discover the nuances and excitement of this fantastic sport. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to play pickleball like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more pickleball content, and let me know in the comments if there's another aspect of the game you'd like me to explore.